Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone and computer so you can change navigation behavior securely. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging, then install ADB on your PC. Once connected, accept the RSA prompt on the phone so commands can run. Make sure battery is above 20% and you have a USB cable that transfers data. This gets you to the first actionable step, where you will verify current navigation mode and be ready to switch to gestures or run the ADB hide command. Now change the navigation method. Go to Settings, System, Gestures, then System Navigation and choose Gesture Navigation. That typically removes the persistent bar and gives full screen content. If an app or launcher still shows a pill or bar, use a DB, run a DB devices to confirm connection, then a DB shell settings put Global Policy Control Immersive. Navigation equals * to force immersive navigation. Once done, reopen affected apps to confirm the bar is hidden and make sure gestures respond smoothly, but finish by rebooting the phone so gesture selection and any ADB changes settle. If you ever need the bar back, return to Settings System Gestures or run a DB shell settings delete Global Policy Control to remove the forced immersive rule. If the bar reappears, check installed launchers or accessibility apps that can override navigation and disable them temporarily. One key troubleshooting tip: if gestures stop working after a change, toggle system navigation off and back on, then reboot to restore normal input behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.